Dear friends, our first question is, who was Geoffrey Chaucer? Friends, he was an English poet. Our second question is, what was the profession of Geoffrey Chaucer? He was an author. Yes, friend, he was an author, poet, diplomat and philosopher by profession. Question number 3 is, when and where Geoffrey Chaucer was born? He was born on 1343 or 1344 in London, United Kingdom. Friends, Chaucer's date of birth is not confirmed, so these both options can be correct. Our fourth question is, which century Chaucer belonged to? Chaucer belonged to 14th century. Yes, friend, Chaucer belonged to 14th century. And who was the greatest poet of Middle Age? It was Geoffrey Chaucer. Yes, Geoffrey Chaucer was the greatest poet of Middle Age. Question number 6. Which language Chaucer spoke and wrote? Middle English. Or we can say medieval English. Question number 7. Which languages were dominant in Chaucer's age? Yes, friend. French and Latin. French and Latin languages were dominant in Chaucer's age. Question number 8. How many children did Chaucer have? Dear friends, Chaucer had 4 children. Chaucer had 4 children. Elizabeth, Thomas, Agnes, and Lewis. So our question number 9 is, who is called the father of English literature and poetry? Definitely, friends, it is Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer is called the father of English literature and poetry. Question number 10. Who is John Dryden? He is a famous literary critic of 17th century. Question number 11. Why John Dryden called Chaucer the father of English literature? Dear friends, because before Chaucer there was no real concept of English poetry. He was the first. Who gave importance to his own language. And started to write in vernacular language. Friends, vernacular means native language. Vernacular language in place of French, and Latin. Question number 12. In which periods Chaucer's age is divided? Friends, Chaucer's age is divided into three periods: a French period, an Italian period, and an English period. Question number 13 is, who is called the Prince of Storyteller? Dear friends, Chaucer is called the Prince of Storyteller. Question number 14, who introduced heroic couplet in English verse? Dear friend, it was Chaucer who introduced heroic couplet in English verse. Question number 15. By whom rhyme royal was introduced first? It was also Chaucer. It was also Chaucer. Question number 16. Question number 16. In which work of Chaucer rhyme royal is used first? Friends, in Troilus and Cresside, rhyme royal is first used. Question number 17. Who is called the poet of human heads? Dear friends, Chaucer is called the poet of human heads. Question number 18. Who used rhyme royal after Chaucer? It was Shakespeare. It was Shakespeare. Who used rhyme royal after Chaucer. Question number 19. In which work Shakespeare used rhyme royal? Yes friends, in the Rape of Lucrece. In the Rape of Lucrece. In the Rape of Lucrece, Shakespeare used rhyme royal. Question number 20. What is the other name of rhyme royal? Friends, Chaucerian. Yes friends, Chaucerian stanza is the other name of rhyme royal. Question number 21. In which work Chaucer used heroic couplet first? Dear friends, in the Legend of Good Women. In the Legend of Good Women. Chaucer had used heroic couplet first. Question number 22. By whom heroic couplet was perfected after Chaucer? It was perfected by John Dryden and Alexander Pope. Yes friends, our question number 23 is, which poet was buried first in Poets' Corner? Definitely it is Chaucer. Chaucer is buried first in Poets' Corner. Question number 24, which poet was the favorite poet of King Edward III? It was also Chaucer. Question number 25. Which war had started in Chaucer's age? Dear friends, it's 100 Years' War. 100 Years' War. Question number 26. How much time 100 years war lasted? Dear friends, it was lasted 116 years from 1337 to 1453. And question number 27 is, in which country's 100 years war was fought? It was fought between England and France. Question number 28. Did Chaucer himself participated in this war? Yes. Chaucer participated in this war. Question number 29. Who was arrested in 100 Years' War? Chaucer was arrested. Dear friends, Chaucer was arrested in 100 Years' War. In which year Chaucer was arrested in war? He was arrested in 1359 or 1360. How much ransom was given to France by King Edward III to release Chaucer? 16 pounds. Question number 32. Who said for Chaucer, the morning star of Renaissance? Yes friends, Edward Albert. Edward Albert said that Chaucer was the morning star of Renaissance. Question number 33. Who said for Chaucer, he was not in any sense a poet of people? Dear friend, it was Hudson. Yes, it was Hudson. Question number 34. In which year Chaucer studied law? He studied law in 1367. Question number 35. Who is recorded as the first member of royal household? Dear friend, it is Chaucer. Chaucer is recorded as the first member of royal house. Question number 36. Which plague devastated England when Chaucer was a boy? Black Death. Yes friends, it was Black Death. Question number 37. How many people were killed in Black Death? 50 million. 50 million or 60% of Europe's entire population. Question number 38. Which is masterpiece of Chaucer, or what is Chaucer's famous for? Friends, the Canterbury Tales. Canterbury Tales. Chaucer is famous for the Canterbury Tales. Question number 39. Mention some other works of Chaucer. His other works are the Book of Duchess, the Book of Duchess, Troilus and Cressets, and the House of Fame, and the Legend of Good Woman. The Legend of Good Woman. Friends, question number 40 is, who are the contemporaries of Chaucer? John Gower, and William Langland. Question number 41. For what Chaucer was fined in 1366 or 1367? He was fined He was found beating a friar in London Street in 1366 or 1367. In which year Chaucer acted as a controller of custom? Yes, dear friends, during 1374 to 1385, Chaucer acted as a controller of custom. Question number 43. Chaucer was died in. He was died in 25th October 1400. Question number 44 is Love is Blind said first by. Yes, friends, it was said first by Chaucer, but it was later said by Shakespeare, and it was made famous. Question number 45. Question number 45. How many words did Chaucer invent for English? Dear friends, 2000 words. Question number 46. Geoffrey Chaucer's father name was John Chaucer. Question number 47. Chaucer's mother name was Agnes Copton. Chaucer's wife name was Philippa Roet. Chaucer later dedicated Troilus and Cressida to John Gower and Rolfe Stroud. Question number 50, friends. Last question of this video. Chaucer was inspired by Dante. He was inspired by Dante, Petrarch, and Boccaccio. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Please subscribe and share. Subscribe my channel and share this video to others so that they can get benefit from it. Allah Hafiz. We will see soon with new video.